This is Richard with ABC, and I've been talking with Mark Mueller from Air Fantastic, and we're going to discuss a little test kit that I actually used. These are about $10. You can pick these up online or from dealers that have them, correct? Right. It's a pretty cool little kit. It's got some solution in it. And what kind of solution is that?
It's called agar solution.
And that's just, that helps
basically
bacteria.
What it's doing is helping the bacteria and mold grow that you collect. So
we got a petri dish here, and basically you take the solution, you put all the solution in there, and then you leave it sitting out on your countertop or wherever you want in your home.
For about an hour.
For about an hour. So you're just taking an hour just sitting out, that's it. Then you're going to seal it up. I put some Scotch tape around mine just to kind of...
Yeah, you want to actually take a long piece of Scotch tape and seal it, because you're basically growing bacteria and mold. So you want to keep that inside the petri dish.
And then I just put it underneath my bathroom sink for about a week and pulled it out. What I got was shocking. So
yeah, you should show that picture. You should cut in that picture.
I don't want the people knowing that was in my house, but but it was incredible. We had a ton of mold. You know, this old house from the 50s, and so we had a lot of mold. We had a lot of bacteria as well, but mold. It was just like,
and this is all airborne mold.
Right.
We're not talking about structural mold.
Literally, we set this out for an hour, and that's what this entire dish was filled with mold. So that was eye-opening. So then, of course, we went on and got our machine, ran it for about a week, and went back to the test again. And all we had were like maybe 2 little puffs, and that was it. So complete difference. It's using the same exact test, you know. So that's where you can really tell if this thing is working for you or not. You know, sometimes people buy air purification, it feels like voodoo because you can't really see what it's doing. You know, maybe you can feel it because you have a reaction to it. But doing a test like this, where it's scientific based, where you're basically growing the mold and the bacteria, you can see exactly what was in before and what was in after in your environment. So particle counters are good too for doing that. Right. But in our case, when you see something like that, it really takes you back. So.
And it takes about 5 days, and it's very important to put it in a drawer, because if you leave it outside and the sunlight shines, the sunlight kills bacteria and mold. So you want to make sure. So it's basically taking a snapshot of the air for that 1 hour. So whatever junk is in the air flowing, and we have billions of stuff in there. So any mold, airborne fungus, or airborne bacteria that falls in there, it captures it, and then it helps grow it. So it gives you basically a snapshot of that, and then you do it again about 10 days later, and most people, it's kind of eye-opening.
Yeah, I recommend it. So anyway, you can pick those up for about $10 a piece. Get them online or get them through a local dealer. Thanks a lot, Mark.
All right, thanks so much.